Hello guys, welcome back to GDP Creations. In this video, I'll be unboxing. I don't know what bay it is. I ordered Genesis Valtryek Takara Xiaomi one. Oops. Let's take the bill out first. Don't need. Oh, I think this is the back side. And we got Loinar L3, which is Nightmare Loinar. I expected at least a Berserk Rock Tower, and I got Nightmare Loinar. So it's okay. Nightmare is also a good bay. So as you can see, owned by Louis Shirosagi, Nightmare Loinar L3, Takara Xiaomi left spin attack type, Nightmare Loinar Destroy, $749, but I got it for 600 rupees only. This is the manual, sticker sheet, I know how to assemble it, I don't need this. So here's the ripcord for the proto launcher, which is waste or useless. I'll use scissors. But before that, this is the useless proto launcher. This is the Destroy driver. It's a very good driver. This is a Nightmare Loinar. This is also a very good bay too, compared to Genesis Valtryek. It's very competitive. So let me put on the stickers. So guys, now I put on the stickers on the bay, Nightmare Loinar. So I'll take a closer look. 2 stickers here, and 2 stickers here, and some stickers here, and on the dragon head, and one on the driver. Oops, sorry guys. Clicks are not that much impressive, but it's still nice. So let me launch it. I've got my stadium now. I'll just hang. Just a second. Yeah, let's just hang. Nightmare Luna. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, nice movements from Nightmare Luna. I just did a normal launch. Okay, now let's move on to some battles. First up, I'll be battling against 2 left spin Mother Bays. So the first battle we'll be having against its Evolution Bay, which is Bloody Longinus. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Nightmare just spun a bull. Bloody Longinus. Nothing happened to it. So it's 1-0 for Nightmare Luna. Now I launch Nightmare Luna first. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Both the Lunas out there. So it's 1-0. 1 for TT and 1 for the fake one. Yeah, it's TD brand. I remember now. Three, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. This was a close match. It was a draw. Oh, Nightmare Luna just got finished. Bloody Longinus, which is an evolution of it. This is why TT bays are good. So now let's battle against a Beyblade from another generation. First we'll battle up against Lord's Brigand. It says whether it can win or at least stand a chance. Lord's Brigand first, 3, 2, 1, go. Next up is Nightmare Luna, 3, 2, 1, go. It was a dual ringer finish, but Lord's Brigand managed to come back from it. So next round, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, hard hits from Nightmare. Nightmare Luna won the battle unexpectedly. So it's 1-all. Three, 2, 1, go. Go. Sadly, Nightmare Luna lost the battle. So now let's battle against another left spin, Geist Fafnir. I'll be launching Geist Fafnir first. Three, 2, 1, go. Go. Oh. It was a burst finish from Geist Fafnir. MQ brand, which is fake. One zero for guys. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Now it's 1-all. Nightmare Lunar almost busted. It was at the last click. Three, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. That was some crazy hits from Nightmare Lunar. Even this time it almost busted. I don't know why it always sticks onto the last click. So, Lunar won the battle. That's it. So next up, I'll be testing against Variant Lucifer, which is a right spin bay from Sparking. Three, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. It was a ring out finish from Variant Lucifer. So let's move on to the next round. So the score is 1-0 now. Three, 2, 1, go shoot. I did a hand spin this time, and Lunar just won the battle. It's because of the aggressive movement of Variant Lucifer, which resulted in losing its stamina. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. So it's again a draw. So it's time for me to do another battle. Three, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, Nightmare Lunar just came back from getting readouts. Lucifer won the battle. Nightmare is still a good bay and manages to give a good fight against my other base also. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel GLP Creations, and stay tuned for more awesome content. This is the waste box which I got from Hamleys or else Camleys. I'm going to skip this. Thank God the sticker sheet was correct, because every other time I bought some other base, the sticker sheets were not correct because they were fake. So that's it, bye guys, see you in the next video.